Welcome to Lincoln Heights Missionary Baptist Church's website, located at www.lhmbc.net. We invite you to visit the site, to browse around, share the site with visitors, friends, and family. Please use the navigation bar at the top to discover exciting features. We have our Connect. We encourage all visitors to sign up for our e-newsletter. We encourage you to visit our social media links, Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. Also on the Resources tab, you can actually enter prayer requests, praise reports, as well as online giving. If you're not at the church, you can give a one-time donation, or you can also give recurring donations. The event calendar. You can keep abreast with what's going on at Lincoln Heights Missionary Baptist Church. You can also go back in the past to see what events have occurred. There's also a member calendar. If you need to contact the church for any reason, please use the Contact Us form on the website. We encourage all members of Lincoln Heights Missionary Baptist Church to sign up for member services. Click Need to sign up. Once you fill out this form, the information will be sent to our administration. Once you are approved, you will receive an email saying you are now approved to log into the members area of the website. The website also has an Invite a Friend feature. You can actually put in a friend's email, their name, their email, and your message, and it will send an invite to that person via email. We use the Evite. There's also an Evite section where there may be different events, and you can send those events and personally invite somebody to that event. Again, we thank you for coming to the website, Lincoln Heights Missionary Baptist Church, located at www.lhmbc.net. There's also instructions on using the app. The app can be located on Google Play. Search LHMBC app, download it on your smartphone device. Or you can search the App Store, search LHMBC app, download it on your Apple smart device. Thank you.